Hello, I'm in a 2015 Dodge Dart. Today we're going to open the hood. So first we'll go down on the driver's side here, and you should see a little lever here that you'll pull to release the safety. Should be a little tension here, which you can check the back and make sure this cable's connected. We'll go to the front now. You should see the hood slightly loose now. That safety's released. And most vehicle models towards the middle, there'll be a lever that you need to pull to open it the rest of the way. So just feel around till we find it. So this one, the lever's here, so we're gonna push this way and lift. All right, and that's where it was hooked onto. This is your mechanism here that was holding it. If you see debris or something in here, you might need to clean that up. If it's sticking, maybe some WD-40 to loosen it. Also check to make sure everything's tight and centered. Same with your hood. If this is bent or the hood's out of alignment, you might have issues closing or opening. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.